Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So I closed my controller just to see the L and R buttons are not working. So in this version of the controller there is only 3 reasons why this happens. The first one is this ribbon here, the flex ribbon. The second is this pad underneath the ribbon. And the third one is the rubbers. So in our case it was the pad. As you can see, it's flattened and doesn't make the good contact with the board, the motherboard. You see this blue flat? In the other version, older version, the fourth problem that you could have is these blue flats, that they are usually larger in the older versions. So keep that in mind. If you want to know how to open the controller, check the video in the description. So there is a very simple fix for that, and that is using the double-sided tapes. The one side, the one layer usually don't make the good contact, so we are going to cut 2 pieces and put them on top of each other. And the reason I use the double-sided tape is that it's made with the same texture as the original pad used in the PS5. Apologies for the sound, I'm searching for my razor. So I failed with that cut. I'm going to cut another one. And for the length, I have 2 pieces here that I'm going to use. So after that I peeled this shield from the tape and put another layer on top, so it comes up, but don't pull the shield on this side, you don't want it to be sticky. Now all we need to do is closing it. Now that we have opened our PS5, let's fix another problem that could cause that the dirty flex ribbons. As you can see, it is very dirty. I'm going to use PCB cleaner. You can use alcohol or water. Do not use heavy chemicals like binder and acetone. You might lose the flex ribbon, and replacing it is pain itself. Just slowly and very softly clean this dirt. So this is it. This is how you fix L and R or any other button that connected to this flex ribbon. Easy fix, cost nothing. I have also made a tutorial on how to close the controller. It should be popping out right now in the top corner, don't miss it. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching, see you later.